The 2026 Jeep Recon SUV is a bold step into the future of off-road vehicles, blending Jeep's legendary ruggedness with modern electric innovation. From the moment you see it, the Recon demands attention with its aggressive stance, squared wheel arches, and signature 7-slot grille. The exterior design is both practical and stylish, featuring LED lighting all around, a panoramic roof, and strong lines that reflect its adventurous spirit. Inside, the cabin is impressively modern and minimalistic, yet retains the toughness expected from a Jeep. High-quality materials, digital displays, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the experience. The seats are supportive, and there's ample space for passengers and cargo. Jeep has focused on technology in the Recon, offering a large infotainment system with wireless connectivity, integrated navigation, and real-time off-road data. Everything is designed to keep drivers connected and informed, whether they're cruising on highways or tackling rough trails. Performance-wise, the 2026 Jeep Recon delivers the excitement of an electric drivetrain without compromising Jeep's off-road legacy. Equipped with dual electric motors and advanced 4x4 capabilities, it offers instant torque, excellent traction, and a quiet yet powerful ride. The battery range is competitive, and with fast charging options, downtime is minimal. Jeep's Select Terrain system and underbody protection ensure that the Recon is just as comfortable climbing rocks as it is gliding through city streets. Driving the Recon feels solid and confident. The steering is responsive, the suspension handles uneven terrain with ease, and the overall ride quality is refined yet adventurous. Its eco-friendly approach doesn't sacrifice performance or personality, making it a standout in the growing electric SUV market. Overall, the 2026 Jeep Recon is an impressive fusion of traditional Jeep DNA with forward-looking electric design. It caters to those who want sustainable driving without giving up rugged capability. With its bold looks, high-end interior, and trail-ready features, the Recon proves that electrification and adventure can go hand in hand. Whether you're an urban driver with weekend camping plans or a true off-road enthusiast, this SUV is ready for whatever comes next.